Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to access other laptop from my laptop. That is, we can access other laptop or desktop from our laptop to remotely. Yes, we can transfer the file, we can access their informations, that is their software has problem or their files has problem means without meeting the laptop, without going to meeting their location, we can access from our laptop or desktop. Yes, we can access other desktop remotely and laptop remotely using this option. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Yes, if your laptop has internet connection, the major important thing, your laptop should have an internet connection and their laptop also should have an internet connection. If your laptop has internet connection, just go to Google and type any disk. Yes, just type any disk. Any disk means anywhere. So for example, if your desktop is there in the Australia, in your desktop is there in the Malaysia, I would like to access from Australia to Malaysia. Without reaching there, I can able to access the files, I can able to get the information, I can clear all the software issues. Yes, just type any disk and you will find anydisk.com. Just click anydisk.com. It will direct you to the download option. Just click downloads. Automatically get any disk from Windows. That is I am using Windows. You can use Mac OS, means automatically Mac OS also will get information, and Android OS, iOS, Linux, all the operating system has any disk software. This is a small application and secure application for the purpose of sharing the information. Yes, I just download. This is a 3.7 MB, that is a small file. Just click download. Yes, automatically once I click download, automatically my download file, the AnyDisk exe, will be downloaded from the desktop. Yes, as you see, so my desktop has the AnyDisk exe. Just I click the AnyDisk exe, automatically it will ask you to run the file. Just click run the file. Automatically my desktop will have the AnyDisk option. If the user is showing the bad image like that is showing me, just close the option, automatically it will close. So 3 steps it will close automatically. So don't worry about the things. This is a secure software only. You can able to access the another desktop. This is a screen of dashboard which is given from the AnyDisk. Yes, this disk. So this disk means this laptop has this number, and every desktop has a different kind of number. For example, if I am showing the video, will show the 2 laptops which is given two types of address. For example, this laptop has this number and this laptop has this number. I would like to connect this laptop to this laptop. So let's see how to do that. Imagine this laptop is remotely connected. I would like to connect with a laptop. Yes, I just click here the remote desktop. That is remotely I would like to connect a desktop. Yeah, so you need to give the address. I have shown the video that desktop has the number, this number. Your desk number can be accessed with this address. Means if I would like to access this laptop to another location, means I can give this number, means automatically I can able to access the desktop. Yes, now I would like to have another desktop ID 989357466. Yes, this is my another laptop ID. I would like to connect. Just click connect. Automatically my connection will be activated from that laptop. It will show you, as you see, it will show you the accept. Yes, I just accept this option. Automatically my desktop, that is my another desktop, will be accessed from this laptop. Yes, I can able to see allow access. Yes, so as you see, this is what that laptop model. Yeah, so this is another desktop. As you see this, so my desktop has, so this is my plain desktop, but AnyDisk desktop has a different kind of files. Yes, as you see, there are a lot of softwares is there, so I can open the software, I can see the software. Yes, I can able to access the software using this. So as you see, whatever I am doing, automatically it will display there. Yeah, so I can access all the software and coding. I can access the all the information on the desktop. I can open the Word file, PowerPoint file, or whatever files I have, I can able to open and see. Yes, so as you see, I'm doing all the things. Automatically it will display from one desktop to another desktop. That is an easy step I can able to work for the laptop and desktop. Yes, if you would like to close the desktop things, means I would like to close the desktop, so I want to close all the things, means just start the session, record. We can record the session also. Once you start the recording, automatically your recording will be started. I just want to close this desktop, means just to click a close option, automatically your file will be closed. Yes, thank you for testing any disk. We hope the friends satisfied. Just to click yes, means automatically it will close. Yes, once it's closed, means the connection will be closed automatically. You can able to see, yes, the connection will be closed. So this is an easy step you can able to identify and access the desktop things. Yes, thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.